Cold showers. Everyone talks about them. Influencers swear by them. Your gym bro won't shut up about them. But what actually happens to your body if you do them every single day for 30 days? Not the hype, the actual science. Here's what changes, and here's what doesn't. Day 1 to 3. Your body panics. The moment cold water hits you, your body triggers a cold shock response. Heart rate spikes. Breathing goes shallow and fast. Your skin vessels constrict immediately to protect your core temperature. It feels terrible. That's not weakness. That's biology doing exactly what it's designed to do. Most people quit here. Day 1 feels like punishment. Day 2 feels the same. Day 3, you start to get a small window of control over your breathing. That window is the first real change happening inside your nervous system. Week 1. The breathing shifts. By day 5 or 6, something changes. The cold still hits hard, but your breathing response slows down. You stop gasping. You start controlling it. This is your body adapting its stress response, specifically your sympathetic nervous system, learning to calm down faster under acute stress. This isn't just useful in the shower. People consistently report that this carries over. Stressful situations outside the shower feel slightly more manageable. The mechanism is real. You are literally practicing staying calm under physical stress every single morning. Week 2. Energy and circulation. Cold water forces your blood vessels to constrict, then rapidly dilate when you exit. This vascular workout improves circulation over time. By week 2, most people notice they feel more alert in the mornings without relying on caffeine to get there. The cold triggers a noradrenaline release. Studies show increases of up to 300%. That's a significant alertness spike with 0 calories and 0 cost. Sleep also improves for many people at this stage. Core body temperature drops naturally before sleep. Cold showers in the evening can accelerate that drop, making it easier to fall asleep faster. Week 3. Inflammation and recovery. Cold exposure reduces inflammation. This is one of the most well-documented effects. Athletes have used cold water immersion for recovery for decades. Cold showers aren't as powerful as full ice baths, but they do provide a meaningful reduction in muscle soreness after training. By week 3, if you're training consistently, you'll notice faster recovery between sessions. Not dramatic, but real. Delayed onset muscle soreness hits slightly less hard and clears slightly faster. Here's the honest caveat though. Timing matters. Cold immediately after strength training may blunt muscle growth by reducing the inflammatory response your muscles need to adapt. Save the cold shower for hours after training, or on rest days if building muscle is the priority. Week 4. Mental adaptation. This is the change most people don't expect. By day 30, the shower itself stops being difficult. Not because it got warmer, because you adapted. You walk in, you breathe, you stay. That mental shift transfers. Doing something uncomfortable first thing every morning builds a specific kind of discipline, the kind that comes from proving to yourself daily that you can handle discomfort on purpose. It's a small thing, but it stacks. Mood also stabilizes. Cold exposure triggers dopamine release. Not a spike like a reward, but a sustained baseline elevation that lasts hours after the shower. People consistently report feeling more even-keeled across the full 30 days. What doesn't change? Immune system claims are mostly overblown. Studies show mild increases in white blood cell activity, but nothing dramatic. Cold showers won't stop you getting sick. Fat loss from cold exposure alone is negligible. Testosterone increase claims are largely unsupported by current research. The real benefits are circulation, alertness, stress adaptation, mood, and mental toughness. Those are real. The rest is mostly hype. 30 days. That's all it takes to feel the actual difference between cold showers being something that happens to you and something you choose. Start tomorrow morning. 2 minutes. Full cold. See what day 30 looks like.